land, water, energy. As Arizona continues to grow, our future will depend on wise use and conservation of these important resources. Buildings have a significant impact on these resources. The 81 million buildings in the United States collectively consume more than 70% of electricity, 40% of all raw materials, and 25% of all water supplies. For that reason, Governor Janet Napolitano in 2005 issued a directive requiring all newly constructed state buildings in Arizona to meet certain standards in energy efficiency, the use of renewable energy sources, and environmentally friendly design. With the construction of its new headquarters complex, the Arizona Game and Fish Department is proud to be a leader in meeting the call for sustainable development in state buildings.
Several years ago, we decided that we were really outgrowing our facility on Greenway Road. The facility was not only too small for us, but it had been patched together and it wasn't really meeting our needs. After about 3 or 4 years of looking at options, the commission and the department decided to invest in a new site here at the Ben Avery shooting facility. We worked very diligently through the process with the architect and the construction contractors to make sure that we built this building as efficiently as we can. And efficiently, I mean environmentally efficient.
Groundbreaking began with a special ceremony in October 2006. Construction crews worked diligently, putting the foundation in place by January, erecting the exterior walls by spring, and completing the interior build-out in October. The finished complex includes an 82,000 square foot administrative building, a 26,000 square foot climate-controlled warehouse, and an 8,500 square foot vehicle maintenance facility. Development and construction costs totaled $20.5 million and were paid for using wildlife conservation funds from tribal gaming revenue. The move to the new headquarters took place over the Veterans Day weekend holiday from November 9th through the 13th, 2007.
Our move started out by putting together a business continuity team several months before we moved. And as a result of that, we were able to move 310 employees. We didn't miss a beat during the entire move. We were open at 8 o'clock on a Tuesday morning and ready for business.
Employees and customers now have a state-of-the-art building that meets the governor's directive for all newly constructed state buildings to achieve at least a silver certification under the Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, rating system. Energy saving and environmentally friendly design features are found inside and out. The development footprint was minimized to retain the natural landscape of the surrounding area. Low-maintenance xeriscaping and high-efficiency drip systems on the headquarters grounds will reduce outdoor water consumption by 50%. The headquarters was built using many regionally harvested materials and wood from managed forests. Many of the materials include recycled content. The interior design makes maximum use of natural light, with work areas positioned along the perimeter of the building near the windows. High-efficiency lighting systems with motion sensors and programmable timers help save on electricity use. A high-efficiency heating and air conditioning system and a coated roof help further reduce energy usage. The headquarters building qualifies for an estimated $48,000 in incentives for energy-efficient design from Arizona Public Service Company through the Solutions for Business Incentive Program. Low water use plumbing fixtures reduce indoor water consumption by more than 40%, saving more than 150,000 gallons per year and reducing the demand on the municipal water supply and water treatment. One of the cutting-edge features of the administrative building will be a soon-to-be-deployed 149,000-watt photovoltaic renewable energy system. It will make use of one of Arizona's most abundant resources, sunshine, to potentially provide nearly 40% of the building's electricity needs. The headquarters includes many other functional features designed to improve efficiency or cost savings. A 200-seat auditorium will serve as a venue for Phoenix meetings of the Arizona Game and Fish Commission and can also host other headquarters staff meetings, potentially saving up to $15,000 annually for rental costs for outside meeting facilities. The department is looking at utilizing state-contracted multifunction devices that combine printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. Use of these devices in a centralized fashion in each work area would eliminate individual printers and could potentially save up to $230,000 annually based on building logistics and current printing and copying needs. An expanded lobby area offers customers more space for customers to conduct business. Specially designed alcoves in the lobby provide educational information to help inform the public about the department's mission and activities. The new facility offers more conference rooms than the old headquarters, providing much-needed meeting space. A large, climate-controlled warehouse not only provides storage space for the agency's equipment and materials, but also houses several other facilities, including water quality and research labs staffed by the department biologists and technicians, and a bunkhouse for Game and Fish employees. The bunkhouse sleeps up to 14 people in 2 dormitory-style rooms and includes a kitchen and shower facilities. The bunkhouse will save the department the lodging cost for out-of-town employees who have meetings and other business at the headquarters. A spacious employee break room offers a centralized lunch area that was lacking at the old headquarters. On December 20th, 2007, the Arizona Game and Fish Department proudly welcomed Governor Janet Napolitano for a dedication and ribbon-cutting ceremony for the new headquarters. The event was attended by Game and Fish commissioners and administrators, several state legislators, other public officials, and representatives from constituent groups.
This building represents kind of the new cutting edge of buildings in state government for us here in Arizona. In 2005, by executive order, I directed that all new state buildings have at least 10% of their energy from renewable resources and meet what is called silver LEED status. Now, Game and Fish decided that that was merely an executive order and they did not have to follow it. They could do it even better, and they did.
As a state agency dedicated to the concept of conservation, the Arizona Game and Fish Department takes great pride in being part of the governor's vision for sustainable development.
This is a really exciting time for both myself and the employees of the Arizona Game and Fish Department. We've built in efficiencies into this building that provide our employees with the tools and with the facility that they need to better help manage the wildlife resource in the state. And most important in my opinion is that it's a healthy environment for our employees.